How to install Trend Micro on Mac. Step 1. Open the installer or setup package. Step 2. Double-click on Install Trend Micro Antivirus. Step 3. In the "This package will run a program" pop-up, click on Continue. Step 4. In the Introduction tab, click on Continue. Step 5. Review the data collection notice and click on Continue. Step 6. Review the license agreement and click on Continue. Step 7. In the pop-up asking to agree to the terms of a software license agreement, click on Agree. Step 8. Enter the serial number and click on Continue. Step 9. In the Installation Type folder, click on Install. Step 10. Enter the password and click on Install Software to allow the installer. Step 11. Wait for the installation to complete. Step 12. On the summary page, click on Close. Step 13. In the Trend Micro Antivirus wants to make changes pop-up, enter the password and click on OK. Step 14. Wait for some time for all the pop-ups to appear. Step 15. In the Activate Your Protection window, enter the email address and click on Next. Step 16. Enter the password and click on Next. Step 17. Provide a name for the computer and click on Next. Step 18. Once the protection is activated, click on Finish. Step 19. In the Welcome to Trend Micro Antivirus, check or uncheck the Turn on Camera and Microphone Protection box. Step 20. Click on Next. Step 21. In the Protect Yourself from Ransomware page, click on Setup Folder Shield or Close. Step 22. If you click on the Setup Folder Shield button, click on the Protect More Add icon to add folders. Step 23. Check the Protect All Connected USB Drivers box. Step 24. Click on OK. Step 25. Once the window shows your folder shield protection is on, click on OK. Step 26. The Trend Micro Antivirus window will display protected. For more such help and information, visit us at www.antivirustales.com or call us at +1 857 557 6826 +44 161 791 4591.